To create a Cash App business account, start by downloading the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. Select Sign Up and follow the prompts to create a personal account, which is required before you can upgrade to a business account. Enter your email address, phone number, and create a password to secure your account. Verify your email address and phone number by following the instructions sent by Cash App. Once verified, you will be prompted to link a bank account or debit card to your personal account. To upgrade to a business account, go to the profile icon and select Support. Then scroll down to Account Settings and select Change Account Type. Choose Business and follow the prompts to provide your business information, including business name, address, and tax identification number. You will also need to provide a government-issued ID to verify your identity. This is a one-time process and is required to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Once your business account is set up, you can start receiving payments from customers and managing your business finances. As a business account holder, you will have access to additional features such as invoicing, payment tracking, and transaction history. You can also set up multiple users with different permission levels to help manage your business account. Best practices for managing your Cash App business account include regularly reviewing your transaction history, keeping your account information up to date, and monitoring your account activity for any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a Cash App business account and start managing your business finances efficiently.